Hi everyone, I'm Saffie. I'm a yoga teacher, I'm a fitness trainer, health coach, and I'm also a model. I know how you feel. I can feel the stress among people, the stress among your colleagues, your bosses, deadline, and a lot of time, and you needed to have a mental stop, a mental pause, so that you can calm yourself. Today I'm going to introduce you a breathing method called square breathing exercise, a method that can calm your mind instantly.
Place a few drops of essential oil into your palm. Today I'm using ylang ylang. You can use any type of essential oil that makes you feel comfortable. Rub your palm together gently a few times until warm. Bring your palms close to your nose. Inhale deeply for 4 counts. Pause at the top of your inhalation. Hold for 4 counts. Imagine essential oil molecule entering your brain, the center of your head, and your lungs. Exhale 4 counts. Then hold for another 4 counts. Focus on your breathing. Repeat this process for a few moments and then set a specific intention. For example, I will face all my challenge today with the calm mind and conviction. I will move with love. I will focus on the big picture. I will celebrate small wins. I will stay grounded. You can repeat this breathing exercise as long as you need it, and feel free to reapply the essential oil into your palms.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope this simple, easy, instant relief can give you a moment of centering and calming. The square breathing exercise, you can do it throughout your day or whenever you feel in a time of calming or anxiety. Thank you for watching today. I hope that we can see you again. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Tell me how you feel after you've done the exercise. And don't forget to share it to anyone that you feel you need or benefit from this video. Thank you for watching. I'm Saffie. Namaste.